What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Matthew got the Subi back on the road, so we're about to go take her for a ripski. Did it overboost?
Yeah, it's tuned to 21. Are all my axles in place? For a ride in my car, and something broke, and like I think the axle broke or something.
On what?
On my car.
Why?
It's like.
Can you just talk instead of sputtering through?
Well, I don't know what it is.
Well, what is it doing?
The car.
Are you able to drive it home?
Well, at least I know what the problem is now.
Yeah.
It's been doing that forever.
Yeah.
I'm not mad at all.
No?
No. I at least know what the problem is.
No, that you do. Damn, I gotta clean this mug. All this off-road and be having shit dirty. Dirty. This is kind of unexpected, but we're gonna move old girl and see where that one's leaking oil. Dude, I got so unlucky with that damn rock that came up and hit this shit, but these things are notorious for cracking windshields. Oh. She pissed. I gotta figure out why. Oh. I don't think you're gonna be able to hear it because there's no load.
They Where's the drive shaft? Well, I'm leaking.
It's just water.
That's not water.
Huh?
That's not water.
No, that's not.
Oh. Uh-huh. It's inside.
Yeah, you broke something in there. Well, that's why it sounds like that.
That's exactly where I didn't want the damage to be.
How much is that?
STI swap trans and everything.
You didn't break the trans, though.
Yeah, well, you might as well do it. No, it's not that. That might be something different. Look at that. Spin the wheel. Spin it fast. No, in a circle.
What? Push the wheel. On another note, definitely center too hard, bud. In the next video, we're gonna be parting it out and selling it.
What? Well, this one doesn't really do it. Oh, I think we need a STI trans and a diff.
You're gonna spend like 10 grand to get this thing back on the road. If you do STI route.
Or I could get a match and whoosh.
For fuck's sakes. No way.
Transes.
Short video, that's it. Okay, bye.